Go ahead and take a deep breath in for me. Breathe it all out. Here we go. Deep breath in. Breathe all the way out. Here we go. Good. Now relax your neck. There we go. Good. Lay on your side and you're going to face me this way. Here we go. Face the other way. Your back. Sit. There we go. Face up for me. Look down a little bit. Look down a little more. There we go. Ear to shoulder. Look down a little bit. There we go. Hey, relax. And once again. Well, excellent. Sit up for me. One more. Cross your fingers. Put your hands behind your head. There. Excellent. On the shoulders. Okay. And 1, 2, 3. There we go. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Perfect. First. And relax. Like your elbow. There we go. Now let's see. And relax. There we go. Okay. That is it.